Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you my design team project for Crafty City. They sent me a kit and the name of the kit is Sound of Autumn. And I already shared a video with all the materials that comes in the kit. So I'm going to show you how my mini album looks like, okay? As you can see, it has the fall colors, and right here the title is going to be Sweet Autumn, and this is the chipboard piece that comes in the kit, and this is some cutouts from the paper collection as well as this one, and this is one of the resin embellishments, and these are the prima flowers and the small flowers that came in the kit, and also these vines right here. See, it came with the prima flowers. So for this mini album I use cardstock. Can you see this shimmery cardstock that is from Michaels, and it's recollections. They sell them at single sheets. And also I use cardstock in a craft color. Can you see? So those are the papers that I use to finish this mini album. And this mini album measures 8.5 by 6.5, and the spine is 4.5. Okay, so it's a big one. I wanted to make it big because I wanted to use all the flowers to decorate the pages, the inside, and I know that they are bulky and you had to leave a lot of space in between. So you can see right here it has embellishments in between, and the separation of the pages are 1/2 inch. And this mini album has 8 pages, okay? And this is how I decorated the spine. This cardstock is reversible and it's different in each side. One side is matte and the other side is shiny. Okay, this is the same cardstock. And this is a lace that I had in my stash. And this is the back. See? Now I'm gonna show you how it looks inside. You open right here, okay, and in the first page right here I made this. It looks like a pocket, right? But I was telling you about the embellishments, and I used the flowers and cutouts, and there was a lot of these leaves and the fall leaves, and I had this raffia to give more embellishment, and also this one right here. It was from Pick for floral arrangements, and it has a raffia and this one, and it has some of these too, okay? And this one you open like this. I'm going to put it far, then you open down, okay, and you have room for pictures. And then this one has more room for pictures right here, okay? So this is how this pocket looks. Then right here on this side I just put a mat for a picture, and in this mini album you will have 4 pockets like this, okay, that has a very large tag, so you can put like 2 photographs in each side. See the paper? Okay, so, and I just put this rhinestone on the top, on the center of this, okay, and I use a die from my stash to do this nice finish. Then in the other side, okay, here is another mat right here, and I made a decoration right here at the bottom, and I use the cutout and also the flowers, the leaves, and I put some of these raffia, and also with the cardstock I use my corrugated tool, and I just cut it out some flags and put it in there. See, and there are some rhinestones that matches. And yeah, then in this side, So in this album, I put one pocket and one page like this, then another pocket and another page. That is just simple, okay? So in this one, I decorated right here with one of the leaves, and these are cutouts from the paper, and it was so wonderful to play with all the cutouts, okay? And then right here, I just tie it with this ribbon, and when you open, you have room for pictures. And right here I use one of my punches to make this design. Then right here you have room for another picture, and then for another one. And here is a mat, and you can write something on this part up here, like a carve initials or something. It was so cute to leave this space for maybe initials of some people. Okay, so this one goes like this, and then you close it. Now on the next page, I just put a pocket right here on the side, and I use my punch right here, as you can see, and this is one of the tags that it comes in the paper collection. And right here there are two large tags for pictures, see, so you can have it in there. Then on this side right here, here is another pocket. Look at this a beautiful flower, and I just put some raffia, some leaves. I used all of the flowers, all of the leaves, all of the embellishments. So this is how this side looks, and you know that is a large tag in here. Then on the other side, as you can see right here, is a mat, and I just decorated with another one of these resin embellishments. And right here some leaves, a rhinestone, and right here this is one of the single pages. And for this one I made a pocket right here with a beautiful paper. I just cut it out right here, all this image, and I embellish with this one right here, some leaves, raffia, and these are cutouts, so beautiful. And I made a pocket, and you have to use a cardstock in the back so you can make the pocket. And right here there are more tags for pictures, see. And then in the other side I made another pocket right here, and I embellish with this cutout and some raffia right here, and I put right here a rhinestone on this part of the picture. And here, okay, I put two tags for pictures, and this one right here comes with a paper, and you can put a picture and write some journaling in here. Okay, and it comes with 4 of these small tags, and for these tags I just decorate them with one leaf and raffia, see, and I back up with some scraps of paper. And for this part, okay, you have a pocket right here, but this one is like a card. I folded a piece of cardstock, and you can open and you have more room for pictures in there, see. So you close this one, and then you have the pocket right here, and you just put all the tags in there and the little tag to decorate, see. So it looks like this. Then for this page right here there is another large pocket, and this is a big mat, and I decorated right here the bottom with the flowers, leaves, and this is the another resin piece, so beautiful. And I use a lot of these corrugated papers, okay. Then in the back there is another mat, and for this one I embellished with one of the small tags. It was so cute for the fox in there, see. and I just put a piece of this cardstock. Now on this page, as you can see, I decorated this part up here with this beautiful flower and this cutout from the paper, and this one was another cutout. Okay, and then right here I put some leaves, the flower, and these are waterfall mats, and you open right here. Okay, and you have a lot of mats for pictures, and you just need to leave a space around so it will look very nice. You don't need to put more paper on top. See, then you open on the side right here, and you have space for 2 large pictures, and then you just close it with this ribbon. Then in the next page there is another pocket right here, and this is another tag, and I decorated with this cutout and a leaf, and right here another resin piece. See, and more leaves. And this one also comes in the paper pad, and right here there are 2 large tags. Okay, and then right here this is another pocket. See, this is a mat and another of these decorations that I made to the page. See, cutouts right here, a flower, all these are cutouts, and some leaves. See, and raffia right here, and yeah, looks so beautiful. Then right here on the back of this pocket I just have a mat and this beautiful flower and some fall leaves. Okay, then right here on this side I made a pocket, and for this pocket I just decorated with this resin embellishment and some of the leaves and a rhinestone, and that's it. And as you can see, and as you can see right here, I just put one of the small tags that comes in the kit, and these mats. Okay, this one is from the paper pad. It looks like this, and right here this is the back, and 2 more mats for pictures. And again, this is like a card that opens and you have more room for pictures. See, this paper is so gorgeous that I was so excited to make this album, and I enjoy making every page. Okay, now on the other side I have this tag, okay, that I glue on the side. This is like the first page. See, and this is how I decorated. As you can see, a leaf, flowers, and this is a cutout of the dog that comes in the paper pad. And then you open right here, see, and then you can have a space for pictures right here. And this is another page that opens, and you have a room for 5 by 7. And then right here you can put a picture here, okay, on any side, or you can put it on top. Then you close it right here. And this is the last page, and this is the cover, and I made a pocket right here. Okay, and I cut it out to the big image of the sunflowers, and this is another cutout that I put on top so it looks dimensional, and this is a cutout as well. Then right here I put some raffia and rhinestone, and here is the little tag again, okay, that I use for journaling. And right here there are some tags. This is one of the papers that I cut at 4 by 6, so I can use like a mat for pictures and journaling, and then 2 mats from cardstock. Okay, and as you can see, you have the whole design of the page, and I already shared this technique in another video that I made with a project from Crafty City, and it was all aboard, and I share with you that you can cut out all around so you don't miss the beautiful image of the paper. Okay, so when you put something, can you see? you can see a beautiful picture on top, and I can have this and this tag, and on the back it looks like this, and this is how it looks. And I really love this mini album. The papers and embellishments are stunning. There was one paper in the kit that I had an idea on how to use it, and I'm gonna show you. And the paper looks like this. See, it's like for making a woven basket or something like this. And I make this tote. See, I just cut the paper at 6 by 12. Okay, and then I just cut this. I made this box recycling cereal boxes, and this one has 6 inches by 8 by 5.5. See, and this is how I decorated. I used the cardstock that matches the album, and then I had this paper in my stash that looks like linen, and I just cover the whole box inside. And on the side, this is like folding of 3 parts, and I just folded in one, and then I just glue on the side. And right here, this is like about 1.5 inches. Okay, and I didn't have enough paper, that's why I put this one right here in between. Okay, and you can put this mini album inside when you want to store them. So if you want to make one of these, it will look fantastic if you can put it away. Okay, so there was an idea on how to use one sheet of paper, okay, of the collection, and make something that matches. So I hope you like my ideas and you get inspired, and thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.